Alright guys, today I'm going to show you how to change your start stop button. I bought mine from BMW plug. Right here, I got this crystal. Let's get it to focus. I got this crystal clear one, right? I think the newer model come with these. So I got mine from BMW plug. It came with this. Came with the little putty right here. And a little screwdriver that's in there. So pretty much what we gonna, well, here's the back of it, right? So what we're gonna do, we're gonna open this putty, which I'm about to do. Okay. All right, after opening the putty, all I did was sit it on there, and we're gonna, let's wait. Okay, when I pressed the button, when I was sticking it on here, I kind of pressed it, so it kind of wanted to start the car. All right, so I got it on there, right? So if you press it, nothing is gonna happen. So we're gonna really press this on here, let it stay on there about a good minute, and then you're gonna yank it, pause, and then it should pop right out. All right, so I'm gonna give it about a good 2 minutes, and I'm gonna pick it back up 2 minutes later. All right, now it's been a good 2 minutes, so I'm gonna grab it and I'm gonna yank it. Hold on. Okay. Look at that. Pulled it and it came right out. Love it. Now we sit this here. All right. Get the new one. Line it up. Hold on. There we go. Make sure it's lined up. Last thing you want to do is put your start stop button in upside down. Hold on, let's see. Oh, camera's all off because I'm trying to look at it and do it at the same time. Okay. It's going in. Looks pretty straight to me. Push it in easy. You're going to hear a little click. Or you're going to feel it. A little bit more. There you go. And look at that thing. Much better automatically. Let me show you guys the before and after. Hold on, let's get the putty off of this one. All right, took the putty off. Look at that. No, oh well, look at that. Stock to that crystal clear. Can't wait to see how this look in the nighttime. Anyway, I guess I'll, maybe tonight I'll come back in and show you guys how it looks in the nighttime. The black one, there's nothing there, it's just black. But this one, I'm going to show you how it lights up in the nighttime. And that's how it look in the nighttime. See that? The whole thing is all lit up now instead of just a regular start stop. That's right. Fire. Anyway, until next time, let's make it a blue movie. 6MT Life. Over and out.